Kev11 donated $1. 1,000-pound stare.
Yo, don't start, bro.
You're 6'2" sleeping on your side.
Oh!
You're the reason they invented double doors. Your parents raised a good man, but you raised your blood pressure. You look skinnier than tomorrow.
Oh my God, bro.
Damn, son.
Why did NASA start live streaming Pluto?
Yo,
Billie jeans don't fit.
bro.
Sir eat a lot.
Yeah?
Bro uses Snackchat. Built like an inhale.
Bro, chill, bro.
Burger Kingpin.
Alright, chat.
D cup. Eggs temptation.
That shit was, this is OD.
Doe J Simpson.
I don't know, bro.
Bro's Tinkerbell's cousin Taco Bell.